Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue channel, and we are at Dollar General. We just rode our bikes just over 7 miles to be here. Daisy, of course, is with us, and we came to get one of these two dolls. I'm picking out a face, and Daisy's helping me. I think I prefer this face, so that's the one I'm going to get. Now here's my dilemma. Do I get the blonde to complete the set? Oh, Marna, stop it. You don't need to complete the set, just get the one. A while back, I did a haul. Oh, you know what? These are magnetic and there's two stuff. Oh, and they're different. Now I have another dilemma. Oh, I see, they're the same. All right. A while back, I bought one of these packs of these magnetic dolls and I showed it in a haul, but I never opened it up and played with it on the channel. I think we're going to do that. I found these glitter tattoos. Do I want that for the Blythe coming that is going to be my water Blythe? I'm looking to see if there are any new clothes on these little $1 dolls for my midi Blythe. Yes, these clothes, that dress makes a shirt for my midi Blythe. I see this 4-day 50% off, but it's just the summer toys, not really what I'm looking for. I found the Barbie for the Happy Mail I'm doing, but I'm kind of looking, I'm not seeing much else.
Well, we're done shopping. Marna's loaded me up. We're heading home.
I have 2 Happy Meals. One's going domestic and one's going foreign. Could it be to you?
Thank you for watching The Dolls Rescued. Please like, comment, and subscribe.